I'm going to show you how to fix your HP DeskJet 2827e printer that is printing blank pages or if it's missing the ink. The first step is to switch on the printer. Look at the printer display panel. If you see there is a ink in the display panel, that means print heads are jammed, or maybe if you are not using the printer from long time, the ink is clogged. To unclog it, we have to do the automatic print head cleaning. To start the process, you can go to your laptop, MacBook or your smartphone and open the HP app. You will see your printer that is here. Scroll down. Click on the option Print Quality Tools. Select View All Print Quality Tools. In this section, look for the option under the Cleanup, Clean Print Head, and click on the clean icon. And make sure you have loaded a paper in the rear paper tray. So this process only takes a little bit time and it will give you the print quality diagnostic sheet. If the print heads are jammed little bit, then the print quality tool will display like everything is working normal, all the inks are showing up there. If you don't see that, then you can click on the level 2 cleaning and it will take couple of minutes, and then it will unclog the unclog the jammed print head. Let's do that. So this might take a little bit longer. If that doesn't work, if you see ink is missing, prints are not clear, then you can go for the level 3 cleaning. That's the final cleaning, and you can keep repeating this process until the print heads starts to work. After you get a clear printout, click on the done, and now we can go back. So this will help you to fix the printer where the print heads are jammed, ink is not showing up, and then it will start to work. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. Thanks for watching.